Hi friends, look at this. I have completed the whole down part. The length is up to you. You can make even shorter one. Okay, I made it a little bit longer one. Okay, and I crochet on sleeve. That one also I will show you. Now we are going to make the button part. Okay, both side we are going to make only single crochet. We can start with down. Okay, start from down. And we here you can use any color you want, but I am going to use the off white. Okay, let's start from there. I put a slip knot already. Insert your hook there. Okay, insert your slip knot and just make a chain one. Okay, and the same stitch make single crochet. Okay, like that, and we are going to work there 2 single crochet, 1 2. Okay, and then we are going to work here. You can see the next color there, 2 single crochet. Okay, try to hide the yarns inside. Okay, 1 2 single crochet. Next, the white part, see there, 2 single crochet. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, then again the blue color there. Okay, there you can see there, make 2 single crochet, 1 2, and then again the white part, 1 and 2. Okay, again the green there, 1 and 2. We are going to continue all this 2 single crochet in each double crochet stitches there. Okay, 1 2, again there, 1 2. Okay, continue work same as this up to there. Okay, then I will show you how to work the neck part. Look at here, I have completed double crochets, single crochets. Now 2 single crochet there. Again the white part I'm going to make 2 single crochet, and then the top you can see one hole there. You have to make 2 single crochet. See the starting point there, 1 and again one more single crochet, 2 single crochet in same stitch. Then after that 1 double crochet in each stitch. Yeah, like that. Just knit crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch, and the corner I'll show you how to crochet on the corner. Okay, see the corner, you can see there I'm not going to work there. Okay, and the next stitch make single crochet. All corner we are not going to work. Okay, so just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. See, now we will get the line like that. Okay, if you're crocheting there, you will not get that edges. I don't know how to explain, hope you understand. So make one single crochet in each stitch, and the 4 corners we are not going to work. So continue work one single crochet in each stitch, single crochet, single crochet, the corners we are not going to work. Just make a single crochet, single crochet, one single crochet, again single crochet, again single crochet. See that is our corner, so I'm not going to work there. So skip that stitch, and the next stitch make one single crochet. Okay, continue work one single crochet in each stitch. Okay, now you can see the corner, you can get the correct shape. That's why I skipped that corner. Okay, so like this, same as this, we are going to follow also next 2 corners. Okay, continue work same as this, single crochet and 2 corners, don't work the 2 corners. Okay, see, I have completed. Now single crochet, that is the top stitch. So there I am going to work 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then see, we are going to follow same as the other side, 2 single crochet in each stitch. See, there I am going to make 2 single crochet. Okay, and there 2 single crochet, same as other side. Okay, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, again 2 single crochet in the same stitch, again 2 single crochet. Okay, continue work same as this up to down. Okay, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet, two single crochet, 2 single crochet. So now we are going to work on the other pattern side. There also we have to work 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, there make 2 single crochet like that, again there 2 single crochet. Okay, continue work same as this, end of this full side. Okay, up to there, just continue work 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I have completed, look at these. So there I'm going to work 2 single crochet. Okay, and the top down there, the starting stitch, I made also 1 single crochet, and chain 1, turn your work, and the same stitch make 1 single crochet. And then now this row I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch, and here this row we are going to make buttonhole. Okay, So continue work one single crochet up to, see I completed one single crochet in one side. Okay, see now this corner I'm going to make 2 single crochet there. Okay, 1 2, so you will get a proper shape. That's why I'm making 2 single crochet there. Okay, and then continue work one single crochet in each stitch, one single crochet in each stitch, and the corner same. I'll show you how to work the corner. Okay, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and then single crochet, and then again single crochet. See, that is our corner stitch. So there I'm going to work 2 together single crochet. See that the corner 2 stitches, see you can see that 2 stitch there. See, 2 together single crochet. Okay, so then continue work one single crochet in each stitch. Here 2 together single crochet, and the starting there 2 single crochet in same stitch. Okay, but the 4 corners we are going to do 2 together single crochet in the corner. Okay, now continue work one single crochet in each stitch. Then again the corner we are going to do 2 together single crochet. See, now we are on the corner. See there, you can see 2 stitches. So I'm going to make 2 together single crochet. Okay, now continue work same as this at the other corner also. Okay, here also 2 together, and there we have to make 2 single crochet in same stitch. Okay, there 2 single crochet in same stitch, but the corner 2 together single crochet, and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I have completed up to down. Now from down to up I'm going to make buttonhole. Just decide how many buttons you want. I need 4 buttons. I'm going to make 4 buttons, so I want 4 buttonhole. Okay, one is there and one is there, and one here and one here. Okay, so here I'm going to make another buttonhole. So it's up to your size what button you're using. See, I make 2 chain 2 and skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet, but see it looks little bit bigger, so I'm going to make only 1 chain and skip 1 stitch. Okay, so like that, 1 chain 1, skip 1 stitch, next stitch make single crochet. So that's going to be your 1 buttonhole. If you're using bigger buttons, you can make 2 chain and skip 2 stitches and make single crochet. Okay, that's up to you, the type of button you're choosing. Okay, now 1 2 3, so there I have to make 1 more buttonhole. So that is first buttonhole, so maybe I can make there. So chain 1, single crochet, single crochet, chain 1, and then skip the stitch, and the next stitch make 1 single crochet. Okay, so next one I'll make there, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Okay, single crochet, single crochet, just single crochet, single crochet. Yeah, there I'm going to make another one. So chain 1, skip that stitch, and the next stitch make 1 single crochet. Okay, so now I have 3 buttonholes. Okay, so again single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, again single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, again single crochet, all single crochets. The side we are going to make all single crochets only, and few difference on the corners and the top edge and the buttonhole. That's it, very easy. Okay, here I'm going to make another buttonhole. Okay, so chain 1, skip 1 stitch, next stitch single crochet. That's it, and that going to be our edge. So there I'm going to make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, see, I made 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then we are going to follow same as previous row, single crochet in the each stitch, and the corner, each the 4 corners I'm going to make 2 together single crochet. Okay, see, like that, 2 together single crochet. So next 2 stitches, see that 2, 1, 2, 2 together single crochet. Okay, same as this work, 4 corners 2 together single crochet, and the top edge make their back also 2 together, and that side also 2 together. Here the edge you make 2 single crochet in same stitch and continue work on single crochet in each stitch, and come back again, and the buttonhole part I'll show you how to make. Buttonhole part you can make on single crochet on the chain 1 place and continue work only. Okay, see, I have completed. I round and round, I went down and I come back again. Okay, now there I made 2 single crochet in the same stitch. See, I'm going, yeah, now 1 single crochet. This is our first buttonhole. You can see that buttonhole where we made chain 1, there make 1 single crochet, and then continue work 1 single crochet in each stitch. That's it. So just continue work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Don't forget to make 1 single crochet in the chain 1 where we made chain 1, that buttonhole place, there make 1 single crochet. Okay, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. See, that's the place we made 1 chain 1. So there make 1 single crochet where you made chain 1. Okay, continue work. See that buttonhole, you can see the buttonhole. Okay, and the next buttonhole. Okay, if you made 2 chain 2, the chain 2 place you have to make 2 single crochet. If chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. Continue work. Okay, and up to down, and if you want you can make 1 more row as well. Okay, see, going to complete. See, total 1 2 3 4 4 rows I did. 2 3 4 total 4 row. So I have completed the button part. Totally I made 5 rows. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. Totally I made 5 rows. It's up to you. You can make the rows you wanted. Now we are going to make the sleeve. Okay, so we are going to start from here. Okay, make a slip knot. Okay, insert your hook. See the two corner, that corner and then this corner. Okay, insert your hook and that two corner. Okay, see that corner and this corner. Okay, the two corners. Okay, I already made a slip knot and then join that one. Okay, so there I'm going to make. Okay, there I'm going to make chain 3. That is counted as our single crochet. 1 2 3. Okay, now I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, see, 1 single crochet. Oh sorry, not single crochet, double crochet. Okay, so double crochet. First make join that two corner and then make chain 3 and double crochet in each stitch. Okay, 1 double crochet, double crochet. Just we are going to make double crochet in the round, all round to next side. Okay, so I have completed. Okay, single crochet, not single crochet, double crochet. I'm confused with single crochet and double crochet because I made the buttonhole side. Okay, so double crochet. We are going to make same as that. Okay, now the chain 3 part, 1 2 3, there make a slip stitch. I'm going to use first the pink color. Okay, take that one, make a slip knot. I'm going to join this one. Okay, okay, the chain 3 place, leave that one, the white one, and join the pink one. There I'm going to make chain 3. 1 2 3. Okay, oh sorry, 2. Okay, and then 3 together single crochet. So I'm going to make 2 together, not 2 together. 1 2 and then same stitch I'm making 3 together, double crochet. 1 2, again skip. We are going to skip 6 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6, same stitch, 3 together, double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 and then same stitch, 3 together, single crochet, and then chain 2. So skip 6 stitches, 7th stitch, make 3 together, double crochet, and then chain 2, again 3 together, double crochet, and then again chain 2, skip 6 stitches, and then make it. Okay, up to the next. See, I followed same as that. Now chain 2, I have to skip 6 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The 7th stitch I'm going to make 3 together, double crochet, and then chain 2, again 3 together, double crochet, and then see, I have only 1 2 3 stitches remaining. So don't worry, just make chain 2 and then join top of the chain 3 stitch. Okay, now we are going to cut this yarn and then we will add white again. Okay, even your calculation is not correct here, don't worry, just follow from starting to end, follow same. If you are lacking few stitches, don't worry. Okay, do as I did. Okay, then middle of that chain 2 gap there, make like that and chain 2, single crochet and chain 2, 1 single crochet and chain 2, skip 2 stitches down there and then make 1 double crochet and the next stitch also 1 double crochet. Just follow as same as the how we crochet the body. Okay, and then again make chain 2 and there. Hope you understand. I don't know how to explain. Skip down the 2 stitches and the 3rd stitch make 1 double crochet and the next stitch also 1 double crochet and then make chain 2 and there 1 single crochet. Okay, continue same as that end of this row. Okay, see, and here we have only 3 stitches there, right? But make chain 2 and then that 3 stitches take 2 stitch and make 2 double crochet. Okay, see, take 1 stitch there, make 1 double crochet and the next stitch also make 1 double crochet. Okay, that's it. See, now we will have a correct calculation from the next row. Okay, chain 2 and the chain 1 gap there, make slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to work 1 double crochet in each stitch, same as that. Okay, so we are going to work that 3 heart. Okay, after 3 heart we are going to reduce. Okay, I made total 3 or 4 decrease. I'll show you how to do that. See, here I made 3 stars. Okay, 3 heart, not stars, sorry, heart. Okay, after 3 heart, this row I am going to decrease. Okay, chain 3 and then 2 double crochet in the chain 2 gap and then see, top of that 2 double crochet stitch there I'm going to make 2 stitches, 2 together, double crochet. In the 2 stitch I made decrease, 2 together, double crochet. We need total 7 decrease in this design. We are following 7. So we need to decrease here 7. Okay, 7 number. Already I decrease 1 stitch. Okay, so here we are going to do next decrease. 1 stitch there, 1 stitch on the other stitch. So 2 together, double crochet. Okay, so I decrease 2 now. So we need to decrease total 7 stitches, right? So I decrease 2, 1, 2. Now here again 2 stitches I'm going to Oh, I made a mistake. So see, I'm going to make 2 stitches together double crochet. Okay, so 2 stitches together double crochet. So I decrease total 3 stitches. So what I am going to do is, this side I am going to decrease 4 stitch and the other side I am going to decrease 3 stitch. Okay, and the center I am just going to see 1 2 3 4, that's it. This 4 stitches I decrease already. Now I am going to just work double crochets, same as that, same as how we did before. Okay, then from last 3 stitches I'm going to decrease again. Okay, remaining all stitches I worked as normal. See, now I have last 3 stitches. Okay, beginning I decrease 4 stitches, right? See, 1 2 3 4, and the last and remaining all I did just normal, and from the last 3 stitches I'm going to reduce. So total I am going to decrease 7 stitches. You need to decrease also 7. Okay, 2 stitches here, 2 stitches together double crochet. So that is our 5th increase. Okay, then 2 double crochet in the chain 2 gap and 1 double crochet in the single crochet stitch, again 2 double crochet in the chain 2 gap, and then next decrease. Okay, so that is 6. And one more, that is our 7th one. That's it. This is how you need to decrease the sleeve. The sleeve is totally up to you. You can decrease according to your length. Okay, I totally made, I think, 2 or 3 decrease. Okay, so next color we are going to add chain 3 gap. Just add that color and make it tight, that white yarn. Just make it tight and continue work this. Okay, chain 2 and then here 2 together, single crochet, double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then chain 2, again 3 together, single crochet, double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 and then skip 6 stitches. Okay, follow same as that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7th stitches, make 3 together, same stitch, 3 together, double crochet, chain 2, 3 together, double crochet. Now you will not get this heart in same line. Okay, it will be little bit cross. Okay, don't expect that you will get same as the body, like straight you won't get the straight line heart, you won't get. You will get only a little bit but it's not very obvious. Okay, see, continue work. So here totally I decrease, I think 3. I decrease total 3. So I decrease 1 here after 3. Okay, after 3 I decrease 1 here. You can see I decrease 1 here. After that 1 2 3. I made 3 and I decrease 1 there. Okay, so 2 increase. Then I just continue work, and before the row, before ending, I decrease there. Okay, so here upper part I did 2 decrease. I get confused, increase decrease. I get 2 decrease